Welcome to Tech Hacks Daily. Today we're diving into a game-changing feature that many of us wish we knew sooner: how to watch YouTube while multitasking on your device. Whether you're on Android or iOS, we've got you covered. So let's get started. First, let's explore the picture-in-picture PIP mode, a nifty feature available on both Android and iOS devices. On Android, start playing a video on YouTube, hit the home button, and voila! Your video shrinks into a small player that you can move around your screen. For iOS users, it's almost the same. While watching a video in the YouTube app, simply swipe up to go home or press the home button on older models, and the video will continue playing in a small window. Now, if you're looking for more control or features, third-party apps like Floating Tube can be your best friend. These apps allow you to play YouTube videos in a floating window, giving you the freedom to use other apps seamlessly. YouTube Premium subscribers, you're in for a treat. With Premium, you can use the official YouTube app to play videos in the background, perfect for listening to music or podcasts while on the go. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to keep YouTube playing, no matter what you're doing on your device. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy multitasking! Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.